Hi, third graders. Today we are going to do a lesson on equal groups. You're probably familiar with equal groups, but I'm going to show you how to show equal groups in the form of what's called an array, which are just rows and columns. Let's start off with something that we're familiar with though, and we're going to do two groups of 4. So here's one group, two groups, and then let's change the color. Let's do a light blue one. And then I said two groups of 4, so let's put 4 in each. So connection, if that looks familiar to you, two groups of 4. You're also probably familiar with creating a repeated addition sentence, right? So this repeated addition sentence would be 4 plus 4 equals 8 to find out how many are all together. Okay, so today we're going to take like this information, these groups, and just put it into a different way of showing groups. So what if I did, there's one group of 4, and there's another group of 4. Isn't this the same as this? I have two groups of 4. I have two groups of 4. I have two groups of 4. So this is called an array. It has rows, which go from the left to the right, and it has columns, which go from top to bottom. And it's still showing equal groups, it's just showing it in a more organized way. Okay, so these are called, when it goes across, it is called a row. And when it goes up and down, it is called a column. So I'm going to go like this. These are the rows, these are the columns. So how many rows does this array have? 1, 2. How many columns does this array have? Let's use another color. Oops, didn't mean to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 2 rows and it has 4 columns. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we were doing a repeated addition sentence for this, it would be the, it would be the exact same as our groupings up here. So you have 4 plus 4 equals what? 8. Good. So this array down here is still 4 plus 4 equals 8. It's just a different way of showing groups. Now we're going to go through this together. So if we're looking at this array right here, how many rows does it have? Well, I told you, a row goes from left to right, and a column goes up and down, from top to bottom. So how many rows does this array have? 1, 2. Good. How many columns does this array have? Well, we know columns are up and down. 1, 2, 3. Good, count with me. So how many rows? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. Oops. And then what would the repeated addition sentence be? So it could be two things. It could be 2 plus 2 plus 2, or it could be whoopsies, Miss Dale messed up. Or it could be 3 plus 3. Now you tell me what that equals. What is the total? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good. That would be the repeated addition sentence. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Oh, let me go back to this. If you're not sure how to necessarily do the repeated addition sentence, the way that you can find out how many are in all, you can count just one at a time if you're more comfortable with that. So you're still going to get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's look at this array. Remember, rows go across, columns are up and down. How many rows does this array have? Let's count. 1, 2. The same as the last array. And you can see why, right? This has 2 rows and so does this. How many columns? Well, remember, columns go up and down. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so it has 4 columns. Okay, now we have our repeated addition sentence. What would our repeated addition sentence? In this one, it was 3 plus 3 equals 6. What would the repeated addition sentence for this array be? Good, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Awesome. Okay. We can also get into the habit of writing it on the side. Like 4, 4, 3, 3, so that we get used to using those numbers to help us with our repeated addition. Okay, we're going to come down to this one. Ooh, it's a little bit bigger. So, how many rows? Remember, rows go across, columns are up and down. 1, 2, 3. Good, so this one has 3 rows. Well, I don't know why it's purple now. Okay, we'll just deal with that color. I like it. Navy blue. Okay. How many columns? Remember, columns are up and down. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to duplicate it because it's the exact same thing. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So then what would the repeated addition sentence be? How many are in this row? 3. There are 3 groups of 3. 3 and 3. So our repeated addition sentence would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, ooh, let's see if we can do that. We can count by 3s. 3 plus 3 we know is 6, and we just have to add one more 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, oh, I already did it over here, silly Miss Dale. Oops. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. All right, I'm going to stop us there. I hope that this made sense. If it didn't, please make sure that you ask Miss Dale at our next Zoom session and tell her that you need some help understanding. See you tomorrow.